I didn't know there was gonna be rocks, so that makes it good too. But everywhere you look, there's always all this good stuff. Look at that big old rock. Last night there was a 6 and a couple 5-pounders caught on the working man.
Oh yeah.
That's what you did earlier.
There you go. Oh, quick release.
Got it?
Nope, I'm off. Nice drag.
It's a crankbait. Sweet. I still hadn't test fired. Yeah. Got it? Oh, jeez. Get it over here close. Real.
I'm trying.
You need to drag through it. There you go. Get over here. Keep it. There's hooks everywhere. That's why I was like, ah, and I thought this back one was coming out. This is Granbury Keeper. We're going over here by the docks, just down the lake, at another undisclosed location, unless you can tell where this house is behind me. And we're just throwing crankbaits along the... Man, I'm gonna have to edit that.
We're throwing crankbaits along the retaining wall, catching good fish.
Yep. And we're just out here on lunch break. Reel. You gotta reel that little bastard. Yeah! Catfish. There you go. Woohoo!
What are you doing eating that? Yeah, keep talking. Right in the mouth. You got me fishing.
You got it? Reel. You missed it again? Decent or? No, that's two keeper? No, it's a little. Not a keeper. He's a fighter. Hey, swing him in.
We've had worse with that.
Anyway, still catching fish. We've only been out here about 30 minutes. So, like I said, it's lunch break. Retaining wall, square bill, crankbaits. What was that? You don't get to go out on the water all the time, and you can't go all day. Just make sure you go for a little while. Enjoy your time while you're out there, and be safe.